Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook herring roe. First, always select fresh, firm roe from a reputable source, ensuring it has a clean ocean scent. Gently rinse the sacks under cold, running water, carefully removing any loose membranes or too small pieces of debris. Pat them completely dry with a paper towel, as excess moisture prevents proper searing. This crucial step, often overlooked, truly enhances the final dish. For a classic preparation, you will only need a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 tablespoon of good quality unsalted butter for richness. Have some fine sea salt and freshly ground black pepper ready to season the delicate roe. Additionally, a fresh lemon wedge is indispensable. Its bright acidity will perfectly cut through the roe's savory notes when served. These basic additions allow the natural flavor to shine. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat, then melt 1 generous tablespoon of unsalted butter until it foams gently. Carefully place the dried herring roe sacks into the hot pan, ensuring you do not overcrowd them for even cooking. Sauté them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown and feel firm when lightly pressed. A perfectly cooked roe will have a delightful slight crunch on the exterior. Serve your freshly sautéed herring roe immediately to savor its optimal texture and flavor. A simple garnish of fresh, finely chopped dill or parsley adds both color and an herbaceous aroma. For a classic presentation, accompany the roe with crisp toasted sourdough points or a selection of delicate crackers. A small dollop of crème fraiche or sour cream also offers a lovely creamy contrast. This creates an elegant and satisfying appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.